Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar and to another wish day in this week. We have this wish week going on, and it's you, Mitchy Man, who wished for this song from the Kid Laroi, Need You Now. And how can you thank me, Mitch, and everybody who's watching this right now? You'll go and check out my new YouTube channel. It's a no-brainer. Gruvgear Guitar 6 turns ago. Link up here somewhere. You're gonna learn a full song from beginning till the very end with chords shown, a full playthrough. Go and check out that. That is how you thank me, guys. I work a lot for you, so I appreciate that. And almost ask you and demand you to do that. No, I'm not, but still, appreciate it. Let's do this song together now. Focus on Kid Laroi's Need You Now. We have a capo on the 5th fret, easiest chords possible with the melody going on and all that. So capo on 5th, let's do that. Let's go into the chords. D minor first, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Then we have the CE chord. That looks like a C in the shape, but we're gonna incorporate that open E string in the bass first. Then comes the 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the F, and I suggest you go with the bar chord version. That is index finger on the 1st fret to push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. You're gonna finish off with the A sharp sus2. So that's another bar chord still on the 1st fret. You don't need to push down the last E string in the bass this time, but the 5 strings below are necessary. And then 3rd fret D, and 3rd fret G. There we have it. Now let's go through this melody, this cool melody, and learn it chord by chord, starting with D minor. You hold the full chord as it is, and you're gonna play like this. So you're gonna play open D string, and then you're gonna answer with the 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E together, and then clap. That is how you're gonna work throughout this melody. Okay, so open D, and then high notes. And then clap. Then you go for high notes again, the 3 strings, and then you're gonna play the open D string, and then high notes. Okay, so slowly. Then comes the CE. It's a very short part. It goes like this. So what you do here is to play open D to 2nd D. I don't pick that 2nd D, I hammer on the open D string with my finger on the fretboard. And then I pick the 1st fret B string and 1st E. I just place a short little bar with my index finger there, like this. And that is the CE part. If you have a hard time to do that, focus on the 1st fret E string. That is the brilliant note in this little part. So CE goes like this. Then you go to the F part and you're gonna play this. And notice when you play that bar on the 1st fret B string, 1st fret E, you can keep that for the next grip. So it's a kind of transition chord to the F, which looks like this or this. Okay, but you are there in that area. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So the F part goes. So 3rd fret D string now is the bass note. And then you're gonna answer with the high notes 2nd fret G and 1st fret B together. Then comes the clap. Then the 2 strings or notes again. 2nd G, 1st B. Then 3rd fret D string, the bass note. And then 2nd G, 1st B again, the high notes together, and then clap. So the F part goes slowly. And then you're gonna come into the A sharp area and you're gonna hold the chord as it is. That's what I do. And you're gonna play that part for 2 times. So you're gonna play bass string, 1st fret A. Then you're gonna pick the 1st fret B string together with 3rd G. You have that from the chord together. Then clap. Then you're gonna play the 1st fret B string with the 1st fret high E together. So this is a little bit different. And then 1st fret A string. And then back to first fret B string together with third G, and clap. So that is one round of that A sharp you're going to play for 2 times. So slowly, A sharp. And 2 times goes. And that finishes off that melody. So let's go through everything together slowly from the beginning. So on. Now let's go into the strumming and learn that. And by the way, you can play that melody from the beginning till the end. But you can also switch up with some strumming. We have a 2-part strumming here. The first part, if you grab the D minor first, which is the first chord, it goes like this. Down, up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. Okay? And the second part goes down, down, up. So 1 full round goes like that. So we're going to start with the D minor. You're going to play right what we just played, the D minor, part 1 and part 2. So down, up, down, up, clap, down, 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 up. Then you go to the C, E and play part 2, down, down, up. And then you go to the F and play part 1 2 times. And then finally go to the A sharp and play part 1 4 times. And one full chord progression around with strumming sounds like this. Kid Laroi's Need You Now. Great choice there, Mitchy man. Thank you for being here on this channel. Don't forget, Gruvgear Guitar, 6 strings ago. Go and subscribe and help me out here. I need you, man. So thank you so much. And play tuned.